This is Heymate. At Heymate, we're passionate about helping SMEs save time, money, and attention so they can focus on the things that matter, spending less time on payroll and more time on purpose. Let's get into the demo. Heymate is an all-in-one business management platform. Here's the idea. You sign up with your company information, you fill out your email address, your company name, you choose your industry, and then a platform is generated specifically for your use that has everything you need in it to handle your day-to-day ops. Most businesses, they usually use a bookkeeper for payroll, they might use an inventory system, they might have a separate POS. We're handling it all in one for free. Today we'll show you a little bit about the restaurant industry template and the retail industry template. These are our two initial points of entry in the Canadian market. So when you first use Heymate, we encourage you, if you're in the restaurant industry, to set up a menu, add sub-options, create combos, put in allergy markers, photos, descriptions. Something else that we have is an order flow, so you can actually check out as you would on any POS. And if you integrate with Clover, we handle your payment all in the same system. The tracking of these payments actually funnels through to a sales report section where we give you metrics and insights on your business performance. One of the super unique features we offer for restaurants using Heymate is the ability to generate a unique URL that links to their menu and creates them an online ordering store. So what you have to do is make sure you have your menu set up and Stripe integrated to take payments. And then you actually navigate to your settings, copy and paste the unique URL. So this is what people will see when they access your online ordering platform. You can embed this URL in a button on your website for online ordering, or you can share it on your socials. You can have it available in-store. But when a user goes through the order flow, they check out, they pay, this order comes straight to your POS, ready for you to prepare. The difference with using our online ordering platform is that it directly connects to their menu. They have no extra steps to take. All they have to do is copy and paste the URL, and they don't have to be levied crazy fees to use the system. The way in which we generate revenue through the online ordering platform is a 99-cent service fee, the cheapest at market of any kind of online food ordering service, to the customer. So really, we don't make any money unless the business makes money first, and that's special. Similarly, we actually allow restaurants to create new bookings on a reservations calendar that are in line with whichever opening hours they set up. So here you can see setting up opening hours, what the reservations calendar looks like. Again, you get given a unique URL, which you can embed on your website, share on your socials, so that your customers can click through to book a reservation online with you. So as you can see here, when a time slot isn't available, I get suggested a different one. I click through, I make a reservation. I receive a confirmation email, which I can use to modify or cancel my reservation as long as it's within the agreed upon settings time. And once my reservation is all confirmed, it actually populates on the back end of the calendar immediately so that the host or the business owner can view what reservations they have coming up. When the customer arrives, they can set the status to seated or no-show. So in Heymate, you can build a menu with sub-options, combos, anything that you need, including images. So we're going to show you something pretty cool. Once you set up your menu, if you don't have a product image, we've actually implemented an AI search detector so that you can add AI images to your products based on their product name. These are unique images, free of charge to use, and they're always high quality and they look great. Here are a few snippets from the retail industry. We'll start with showing you how to add retail products. We actually offer two different ways. So one is if you sell a product by item, the other is if you sell by unit. So you can sell and price based on grams, pounds, whatever you use. So you input all of your information. If you don't have a barcode, what's really cool is that we can auto-generate one for you. Otherwise, you can scan to import one that already exists. We also offer export for barcode printing. Add your description, set any promotions that are necessary, your cost price, apply any applicable taxes, and you're good to go. You can also import en masse, and we actually provide you with a template so that it's super easy for you to fill it out, click upload file, and then all your products will be populated. Automated restock is one of my favorite features that we offer. So if you set a supplier and associate it with a product that you have, make sure that you set the original stock limit. It might be 0, it might be 10, it might be 100. Then you can actually navigate to restock and place a restock order. It's automatically linked to your supplier, so it generates an email with the amount that you're requesting. Make sure it looks all good, confirm, and it sends to your supplier. Once you've received your delivery, you can mark it as received, how much you've received, track its progress, and update once it's done. Why is this so helpful to SMEs? Because you can centralize everything in the one place. You don't have to look at an address book. You don't need to go navigate to your Gmail to try and make sure you've got all of your orders done. You can automate the process so that it happens in seconds by building a simple list based on your products. Rove Mode is purpose-built for both the restaurant and the retail industry so that users can have a mobile device like an iPad that their servers can use, their hosts can use, their retail workers can use to move across the floor and have just the essential features they need in a more tactile way. We're going to show you the order flow for the retail template. So you can add products to an order by searching them, scanning them, or selecting them from a list. So here we're going to build an order. We're going to add a discount because it's for a staff member. Then we can proceed to payment. If you have Clover integrated, you can use card, or we can take cash or external POS. And if you have a receipt printer integrated, we can print receipts for you too. Here are some other things you can do in Rove Mode for retail. So you can search your order history using a barcode, using the order number. You can also process a return. So type in or scan the barcode on your receipt, select the return items, select the reason for return, and then you can actually process payment partially or in full. We also have inventory records. So whenever an action happens with regard to your stock, let's say you sell an item, stock goes down, it's recorded as a stock decrease. If you process a return, then your stock goes up, except if the stock is marked as damaged. Then it's marked as a write-off. And at the end of tax year, you can actually export all of your write-offs and claim it back on your tax. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon on Heymate.